Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. Today we are up 1% on the 1 hour chart. We do see the 1 hour MACD turning positive. Right now it's negative, but I do see that turning positive soon. As for the 4 hour MACD, it is pointing up, and I do see again heading up. And on the daily chart, there's some concern that this reversal may continue, but all in all, I do see a chance that we may make higher lows. So I do see that as a good possibility. As you can see, we found support right around this price range, $11.50. And for the MACD, what I ideally want to see is it going negative and make a quick reversal to positive MACD. And for resistance, first we gotta break resistance. That's 200-day moving average act as resistance right now. So I do see somewhat of a isosceles triangle occurring. So we got uptrend right here and then the ceiling. So I do see as the price gets more narrow and more narrow, there's going to be a large volatility spike, possibly next week, and that is the resistance I'm seeing, $12.08, coincides with the 200-day moving average. And as for support, if we do just completely lose steam on this uptrend and breach down to where we found support back in early June, at the price of $10.75. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around 3.4% move up. On the other hand, if we do move down lower, that price movement is 7.7% move down. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where WTI crude oil will head to in the next coming days. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these that we should focus on? So I'll go over which chart best matched the current trend, and we'll compare this forecast at the end. So on here we have the current trend, and down here this trend dates back to June 23rd to September 19, 2016. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning is we see at the start touching the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we enter into a downtrend for several days right down here, and then after that we make a quick reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. Then we touch the middle Bollinger Band towards the end right there. And we see that pattern shaping as well down here. We see touch the middle Bollinger Band in the beginning of the trend. We proceeded to go down lower. We made a reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. And next we see it revert to the mean and touch the middle Bollinger Band right there. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So again, which one of these we should focus on? This is June 23rd, 2016 to September 19, 2016. Back then, WTI crude oil was up around 6.2%. So I do expect crude oil to be higher in the next coming days. So that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.